To create Add Yours template on your Instagram. First open Instagram. Now click on plus icon and go to story and then choose any background for your story. Now go to sticker and here you will find template option. If you don't see this option in your stickers, then you can update your Instagram to latest version. If you still don't find this template option in your stickers, then this feature is not yet available in your region. Now type the prompt to start your sticker. You can also add images and GIF to this template sticker. To add images, you can go to sticker and here you will find photo option through which you can add the photo in your template sticker. Now after this you have to click on pin option to pin your photo or text. Now to pin it you just have to click on it and it will be pinned in the sticker template, and now click on next and now you can share with your followers. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.